Okay, you can see loads and loads and loads of face visors being made for the NHS. Absolutely loads. You can see all the printers working there, which are in the other room, which I'll just show you now. So this is my work area. So 24/7 printers are running. As you can see, I'll pile up in the stack. Get a bit of daylight on it. See, loads of filaments ready to go. Filament starts off on a spool, which is like a cord, feeds through into the printer, which you can't turn that machine so well, but I'll show you on the outside. You've got the filaments at the back feeding through the tube into the extruder. The extruder will print it layer by layer. The bed moves down a layer, then prints another layer. One printer was donated through Just Giving, and one was donated for a guy who brought one for me to use, and then send the printer after the pandemic project's over, helping with the face visors. Two of the printers we had on site already, which are two demo machines, Z18 and the Replicator Pluses, and this is a demo machine which is the Method rather. We have a Just Giving page, which is going to be helping with the materials. Steel plate tape, which sits on the bed, and extruders are detachable and it's like a printed consumable. All got a certain life, and this is where it's all going to. As you can see, this is just some of the spools which are finished. So you can see we've been busy. With the printers here, we can do 40 on each printer per day, so that gives us 160 on the full printers we're running. I'd like to ramp it up more with the Just Giving page, so any tiny bit will help, the more the merrier. And you can see we've already had 500 of these go out already, and we must have probably about 1,000 on that desk there. So it's all hard work, working 7 days a week, all voluntary work, and appreciate any help you can give.